Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Fiesta Mk7 wiper blades. Start by parking your Ford Fiesta safely and engaging the parking brake. You'll need your new wiper blades, which are typically 26 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger's side, along with a soft cloth. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release button or tab. Press this firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. With the button held, slide the old blade downwards or outwards from the wiper arm. Be careful to support the arm so it doesn't spring back onto the windshield. Before installing the new blades, take a moment to clean your windshield thoroughly for optimal performance. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely locked. Ensure the blade is firmly attached and cannot easily slide off. With both new blades installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle's ignition, but keep the engine off and activate the wipers. Observe their movement. They should sweep smoothly across the glass, providing clear visibility without any streaks or unusual noises. This simple check ensures your new blades are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.